In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade in Ctrader. Identify market types and place orders. Start by opening Ctrader so you can see your chart. Take a moment to get oriented. Make sure the symbol and time frame you want are visible and that your chart is clear enough to read structure. Before placing any orders, look at the chart and identify the current market type. This decision shapes everything that follows and helps you choose the right strategy for the conditions in front of you. If the market is trending, price will be moving strongly in one direction, creating a clear series of higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend, or lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend. In a trend, look to trade in the direction of that move. Consider entering on pullbacks towards structure rather than chasing the move at extremes, and keep your stop loss beyond a recent swing to protect the trade while allowing room for normal fluctuations. If the market is ranging, price is bouncing between defined support and resistance levels. In that case, plan to buy at support and sell at resistance. Take time to mark these zones clearly on the chart. Because ranges can be choppy, wait for price to react at those areas and place your stop just outside the range boundary to avoid getting caught by minor spikes. For scalping, you're taking small, quick trades, often on lower time frames. Open a new order, set tight stop loss and take profit levels, and be ready to close fast. Keep an eye on spreads, execution speed, and upcoming news that can cause sudden volatility. With scalping, consistency and discipline matter more than chasing big moves. If a breakout occurs, price pushes decisively through support or resistance. Enter in the direction of the break. To reduce the chance of false breakouts, consider waiting for a candle close beyond the level or a brief retest before committing. Manage risk carefully, as breakouts can accelerate quickly. When you're ready to place a trade, click New Order. Set your volume according to your risk plan, then define your stop loss and take profit directly in the order ticket or by dragging levels on the chart. Finally, click Buy or Sell to execute. After you're in a trade, manage it from the Positions tab. Here you can monitor performance, adjust stop loss or take profit as the market evolves, and close positions when your target or plan is met. Treat the Positions tab as your control center and keep your actions aligned with the market type you identified at the start.